Got one person mid, you see him?
Alright, here. They're all inside of there. I don't have auto on this, so if you can help me.
Yeah, what do you want?
Come with me. Come over here. Come to my side. You see right in there? Just aim for right in there.
Got it.
Yeah. Now open fire.
Watch mid. Watch mid. Mid. You see him?
No. See him. You got him.
2 left. Oh, heads up. Oh, I see Joel.
Hey, come here. You can get in here.
We got most of them on our side. Holy crap, I love this battery!
Did you get him?
Yeah, I got Joel.
I got that in the head. Joel got me in the head.
Alright, I gotta try getting Jacob.
Got him.
Hey, I'm
Come
holding.
on, let's go.
Hey, you see the girl? You see the girl? Heads up, heads up, heads up, heads up! Hit! Nice shot, nice shot! I'm back in. Changing mag.
Alright. There's no wind anymore. Got him. Come on, boy.
That was just to the left of me. Dude, they're getting so close.
Want me to get my auto out?
Huh? Yeah, bring auto. Nice shot! Hey, you wanna reload mine up too?
Huh?
You wanna reload this one?
You can.
Okay, I'll just toss it right there and leave it for now. I'm really cocky just walking. You guys got really close. Joel, are you in or out? Careful, I'm being pinned down. Drop. They're trying to suppress me. You see Joel?
Joel's coming up. Joel's in the house. My battery's dead.
Nice shot, Joel!
Did you get him?
Yeah, I got him. I literally just loaded my mag, threw it in, and shot him. What do you need? Yeah? That's my bad. This is a sniper. Nice stock. Your barrack is falling down, by the way.
I know. That's why I need it.
How did that not hit you?
Watch the middle.
Yeah, I see. I'm 2 mid. One more mid.
Nice shot.
Okay. Those are definitely hitting. I got one guy going, it's Jacob. Oh, I'm out. Switch.
On the right.
Where?
My one.
House?
Not quite. Still to the left. Tree.
Got it.
Forward.
Hey, I got one person moving on the left side. God, dude, I burned through the spring so fast. Jacob, get back, or Jake, get back here now.
What?
Not you, Jacob. Thank you. Thank you.
Dude, you can get shot. Run. About 20 feet.
You see him?